we are putting together the EO that will create the independent commission. The independent commission will be the investigative arm so that they will continue to investigate whatever information is received.
Maglalabas ng executive order si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. para sa pagtatatag ng independent commission na mag-iimbestiga sa mga katiwalian sa mga proyekto ng gobyerno, partikular na ang flood control projects. Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, nasa 5 hanggang 7 miyembro ang bubuo sa naturang independent body. Kakailanganin anya ang tulong ng mga eksperto sa batas, partikular na ng mga justice at prosecutors.
We need forensic investigators. We need, of course, lawyers, justices, prosecutors who will look at the evidence and look at the information that we have, and they will put together that information and make the recommendation to either DOH or the Ombudsman, depending on who is found to be liable for some of these nefarious activities.
Wala pang detalye kung sino ang mamumuno sa komisyon.
Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, kailangan mabusising mabuti ang mga ipinatutupad na proyekto ng pamahalaan dahil kahit mismo sa 2026 National Expenditure Program ay may naisingit pa umanong mga questionable proyekto.
Kasi unfortunately the more we look, the more we find. Kahit sa 2026 budget, marami pa rin siningit. So talagang it really needs to be cleaned out properly.
Tinanggap na rin ni PBBM ang resignation ni Department of Public Works and Highways Secretary Manuel Bonoan sa gitna ng issue sa flood control projects. Ayon sa Pangulo, inako ng kalihim ang pananagutan sa issue.
The reason, I think it was Secretary Bonoan who said that he took responsibility because it was under all of these things happened, all of these problems happened under his watch. So, under the principle of command responsibility, he felt that he should leave his post.
Pinili naman ni PBBM si Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon upang mamuno sa DPWH.
And why Vince Dizon? Because he's done a very good job sa DOTR, and I think he's already set the stage for all of the things that we need to do. So pwede na niyang iwanan. And go to Public Works kasi he's also familiar with the workings of the Department of Public Works and Highways.
Kanina, nanumpa na sa Malacanang sa harap ng Pangulo si Secretary Dizon para sa kanyang bagong departamentong pamumunuan. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue, Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.